How to make faceless motivational videos for millions of views vlog style. Few weeks ago I came across a completely new faceless Instagram page called BGI. This page posted its first video on the 13th of October, and just over a month later they crossed 2 million followers. This is the fastest growing faceless page right now, and they are doing something completely new. They are posting inspirational and philosophical story-based videos. And these videos are actually very easy to make, but the crazy part, a few weeks later, they created another page called Iron Wheel where they post similar videos, and they have just reached 1.5 million followers. This is the biggest opportunity right now to start your own faceless page. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make these videos. But first, let's take a look at one of their videos, so you know what I'm talking about. One day his wife, who had very long hair, asked him to buy her a comb. The man felt very sorry and said, "No millionaire walks into a bank in New York City and says, 'I need to borrow $5,000. I'm going to Europe for 2 weeks.' The bank officer says the bank will need some kind man to find an eagle's egg and put it in a nest of a barnyard hen." As you can see, these videos are all inspirational stories narrated by a very low voice, and they always have a deep philosophical moral to the story. So, let's start with the most important part of the videos, the stories. And to create these stories, you want to, of course, you use ChatGPT, and it is actually pretty difficult to make stories with ChatGPT that don't just sound like a unicorn.